JavaScript comments. So you know very well, comments are created for documentation purpose. Yes. And next is what here? Using comments, we can understand JavaScript code easily. And next is what here? JavaScript engine will not display comments on a browser window. Okay, will not display on a browser window. We have following list of JavaScript comments. First one, single line comment. Second one, multiple line comment. Single line comment means it is used to comment a single line. Slash, what I can say, comment here. But when it comes to multiple line comments, it is more convenient when compared to single line comment, because we can comment a single line as well as multiple lines. Slash star start slash. Here I can say what here? Comment here. Tell me, it is same like Java only, na? Same like Java. So please understand. So whatever I told you now, if you know Java means learning JavaScript is very easy. But remember one point, it is in Java, JVM is responsible to execute the code. But in JavaScript, JavaScript engine is there. In JavaScript, JavaScript engine is there. So that is the difference. Okay, sir, we got an idea about comments in what here? JavaScript. So you can see here, I will give you one simple example to you. Here I am not writing all of them. Just I am telling display simple message. How to do? Document.writeLn. Here I am writing welcome to JavaScript. And now you can see this. Refresh. Came or not? So tell me, I want to take new line. How to take new line? Directly we can write BR na here. Here also I can use what? BR, new line will come. Why do you take every time new line document.write? You can write HTML code there only, na? Both are same only. But for looking easy, means for look and feel. For look and feel, I am taking what here? Document.writeLn like this. But don't think that every time we should take like this only. For look and feel, I am taking. It look good. BR means new line like that. But it is not compulsory. And again, I am taking what here? Display simple message 1. Okay, here I am telling what here? Break line. And here I will say what here? Display simple message 2. Document.writeLn single quotation. This is Nyasar class. So now tell me, here I gave what quotation? Double quotation. Here I am giving what quotation? Your wish. You want to write single quotation, write single quotation. Double quotation, double quotation. With semicolon, without semicolon, because it's a loosely type checking language. Loosely type checking, sir. Save this. Now you can see the magic. Refresh. Comments are coming up. So JavaScript engine will not display that comments on browser. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We can write single quotation and double quotation both. Yes. Your wish. Understood up to here? Online people understood up to here?
Yes, sir.